Welcome back, Outlaws, and today's going to be a pretty special video, I guess you could say. Nah, not really, I just wanted to say that. But anyways, I'll be working on doing some insulation. My favorite thing to do. I love doing insulation. It's just like my favorite thing to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And you're probably wondering like, well, why is a girl doing insulation? Why is there a girl who wants to do insulation for like just for fun? Because I got bribed with coffee and I promised oatmeal pie afterwards. That's why I'm doing it. No, seriously, I just do it because I love it. But actually, I'll be doing some insulation today, and I'm going to be walking through it. I'm going to be showing y'all guys step by step what I'm going to be doing. So we're going to be doing this utility room, as you can see back here. We'll be working on this right here. It's going to be a little utility room. You can see we already got some electrical done. We got to get a washer in here, a fridge in here, as you can see. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess from all the work we've been doing. So I'm going to clean that up real quick so y'all guys can watch me do that and jam out to some music. And then we're going to work on some insulation. Stick around. Alright, so I got all the basic cleaning done that I needed to do before I can actually do anything, so I could actually work better. So I went ahead and cleaned out the compressors. Only thing that's left in here, compressor, the washer, and I got the fridge still here. And I do have one container in here. It's just got a lot of miscellaneous stuff that is stuck in there. It really doesn't matter because I'm not insulating this wall here because it's actually the concrete board that's on the siding of the house because this is an add-on. So I don't have to worry about doing anything to that. And so I'm going to be insulating some of these walls here. So I don't have many walls to insulate, and I think I'll also be doing the ceiling. Just want to show you that. And so, yeah, that's what we're doing. So follow along. Okay guys, so yesterday I was working on the insulation. My battery died, so I wasn't able to finish that up. But I will share a little clip about it, and basically right here actually. Alright, okay. So now that we got that shared, we're going to go ahead and continue what we were doing yesterday. As you can see, I've gotten some work done over here. Insulation done here. Got some more insulation done over here. Got a little bit more as well over here, as you can see. And you're probably hearing something in the background. It's kind of a new addition to the household. A washer, and it's actually working. You saw it earlier in the past video, but this is actually a very big deal, having a washer here finally that's actually operational. And it does save you so much time. And it's less effort having just to take it and haul it to different places just to get your laundry washed. It's just so much more easier to have it here. And it's like, you really don't realize, you know, how you take things for granted all the time if you don't have it. You know, when you lose something, you're like, oh, I really took that for granted. And that's one of these things. It was definitely the washer. And so we have that today. I was going to tell you about, which is so exciting. And today we're going to finish the insulation. We've got another one right here. I'll be insulating these two walls over here. And I'll be doing those and get this one wall here, and I'll be working on the ceiling. So that's what we're going to be working on. So before I get into too much work, I'm going to start by cleaning up a little bit and straightening up some things because, like, Got a couple of bleach bottles down here just from washing and stuff. Need to get it out of the way, and I'm also gonna wipe off, not wash. Just saw the washing machine, but wipe off of the washing machine and wipe off the refrigerator because it's kind of dusty, and just clean up a little bit in here. So yeah, follow on. So the refrigerator has been wiped off. It's clean up there now. Now this has been wiped off as well. I just got some of my tools here for me to start with the insulation. I wiped off the window and even wiped off the air compressor. It needed a bit of a cleaning, so I just wiped it off a little. Looks a bit better. And so yeah, we're about to get ready with the insulation now. Okay, so I got most of the walls done now, which I'm about to show y'all. As you can see, I got all those done except those two over there. This one here is going to take a half of the insulation. That one there is going to take one, but since my dad's working on some of the plumbing, which I'm about to show you. As you can see back down here, he's working on some plumbing. Yeah. So he's working on that right now, and so I'm waiting on him to finish that first. And I have all the walls over here done, as you can see. And some of the walls over here is all done, which is awesome. And now I am starting the ceiling. As you can see, I started with one already, and I got a good bit to do still. So after I finish all the ceiling, I'm going to show y'all that then. So yeah. Alright, it's looking good. Got 3 in. 5 more to go. Alright. This room is almost done. Well, this is where we're at now. I was working in here. As you can tell, we're going to block that later. I forgot about that. I accidentally left a cavity there. I didn't mean to because I ran out of room. But yeah, the ceiling's all done over here. Just finished up over here. I just ran out of staples to do these 3 here because I was kind of doing them in a all together over here when I was working on it. But yeah, I ran out of staples, so I gotta find some. But yeah, this is the progress. This is where we're at now. All the walls are done except this here. All the ceiling is done except this here, and which I had to staple up. And I may or may not put one section over here, like that right there. I may or may not. I think I might. Probably will. But yeah, I have that there. All done. And that will be it in this room. And this entire utility room will be insulated. So yay! Alright guys, today is Sunday. I just got back from church. So I am still a little dressed up today. And so I just got back from church and I'm about to finish this insulation actually. I'm about to show you how far I got, and the reason why I stopped is because I ran out of staples. Because if you're doing any insulation project, pick up plenty of staples because you're going to use a lot of staples. I can assure you. There's like, it's crazy the amount of staples you go through because you're gonna like miss hits and stuff, and just like so much staples you use. It's like insane. But yes, I use a lot of staples in this project already. I went through an entire pack already, and there's not as much as you would think in there, but there's enough. But like, yeah, I went through it really quickly. So I'm about to show y'all where I'm at and what I'm about to do, and I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do. So yeah, I'm going to grab the staples and finish this project up. So let's go ahead and turn the camera around and show you what I'm doing. Alright, so I got the pack of staples, and I'm going to hang it to work on this here and finish this up. So we have these pieces that's hanging down now to finish, and this room will be complete except for those 2 walls over here I have to finish, and that'll be it. Alright, so this is what we got. The ceiling, as you can tell, is all done. And the sides of the walls are. Got up in there done. And except this part here, as you can see, is hanging down. I got a cavity open here. And I got these two walls here to do. I got this half wall still to do. I haven't done it yet because my dad's still working on the plumbing. But once it's finished up, I'll get us that as well. And yeah, so that's where we're at. Okay, we just finished the ceiling now, as you can see. Got all that done. And now all that's left is these two pieces here. And I may put another piece up here. May or may not, but that's debatable. But we got these pieces here, and that'll be it in this room. And this room will be complete.